What if one simple smoothie could help you add more fruits and veg to your day without sacrificing taste? Many of us know we should eat more nutrient-rich foods, but finding easy and enjoyable ways to do that can be a challenge. That's why I love smoothies like this one. This bright pink smoothie is naturally sweet, refreshing, and made with a combination of fruits and vegetables that work surprisingly well together. One of the biggest advantages of homemade smoothies is that they make it easier to include a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients in a single glass. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other beneficial plant compounds that support overall health and wellness. The beautiful color in today's smoothie comes from beetroot. Beetroot is packed with natural pigments and nutrients that make it a popular choice in healthy recipes. For sweetness, we're using fruits that bring both flavor and texture. Now let's make it. Add 1 beetroot, 1 pear, 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 cup of cauliflower, and the juice of 2 fresh oranges to a blender. A vibrant homemade smoothie made from simple ingredients packed with flavor and natural goodness. They help create a smooth, satisfying drink without the need for added sugar. We're also adding a vegetable that surprises almost everyone. Most people never think about putting it in a smoothie, but it creates an incredibly creamy texture. Would you try this smoothie? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and